Hey, it's Dan. Welcome to the heavy bag workout number 1. This workout's going to be featuring just the jab and the cross. We're going to do about 50 jabs first, then 50 crosses, and then we're going to put them together at the end. So as you can see, I'm just throwing my jab here. I'm keeping my right hand up nice and high the whole time. Every time I hit it, I'm moving off on an angle, stepping to my right, I'm stepping back, I'm creating space. I'm not just standing in front of the heavy bag, just throwing like robotic repetitious jabs. You can see I'm doubling up the jab. I'm going to jab to the head, I'm going to jab to the body. I'm going to move my head on different angles too. Sometimes I'm going to drop my head down a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, just so my head is in the exact same spot every time I throw a jab. Now I usually do this for about a minute. If you don't have a timer, you can just count the jabs. Just do 50 jabs, then 50 crosses, and 50 each. You can set it for a longer time if you feel like you need more time in between your jabs. You can make the timer a little bit shorter if you like, to just put on some more work, get more done in a short amount of time. It all depends on what your experience level is, how much time you have in the gym, and what your goals are, kind of thing. You can see here now I've switched over to the cross, and I'm hitting that cross and I'm moving off after every time. You can see I'm mixing it up a little bit too. I'm going to go to like an overhand right. I'll throw it to the body. You can mix it up a bit. It doesn't have to be just a right cross to the head every single time. It's good to mix it up. Now switching back to this angle again, you can see I'm keeping my left hand up nice and high. I'm trying really hard not to drop it down. A lot of people drop that left hand way too low when they throw the right. So I'll move it around a little bit so it's not just stiff, but I don't want to drop it. You can see here now too, I'm also moving, usually I'm moving off to the right after right punch, but I'm also moving to my left. I'm turning my shoulders, I'm doing little fakes and feints. I'm dropping my hips, I'm lowering my levels. Again, I just want to treat this as if I was sparring with someone or hitting pads from that. I don't want it to just be robotic, standing in one spot, just repetitiously, mindlessly throwing it out. Okay, now I'm switching to my jab cross, so I'm throwing both of them together. You can see I'm stepping in, I'm stepping out, I'm moving around angles. You can go to the head, you can go to the body, you can go head, body, body, head. You can go both to the body if you like. The main thing again is to just do the technique with proper form and bring your hands back to your face. Right there, just a 4-punch combo. So just get a couple more reps in. You can take your time in between, move around a little bit more if you like, and then throw a few more punches and, just vary up the rhythm. There's lots of different ways to do this. But whichever way you do it, just make sure you're throwing with good form. And if you have, obviously if you have a coach, they're gonna be coaching on this. If you don't have a coach, just get your phone or a camera or whatever and record yourself doing it. You can watch the mistakes you make. It makes a really big difference when you go back and see what you're doing right and doing wrong. And now I'm just gonna finish this round with straight punches to the end. Usually the last 10 seconds I go nice and hard, nice and fast, using my legs, turning my hips. And that's it. You can do that for 1 round, you can do it for 2 rounds, you can do it for multiple rounds. You can do it while you're shadow boxing. You can do this anywhere, anytime, but something you should be doing at least a few times a week. Anyhow, thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you hit subscribe and give me a thumbs up and hit the little bell notification so you get all the videos when they come out. Thanks again for watching. See you guys in the next video.